Okay, read it.
Elephant.
Very good.
You're right.
Very good. The other one. How about the alligator? Can you show me where's the word alligator? Okay, can you spell it?
Hey, you want the peanut again?
Yes, but I want you to spell the alligator. Can you spell it?
A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R.
Okay, read it.
Alligator.
Very good. How about cake? Where's the word cake?
You're right.
Where's the word cake? Okay, can you spell the cake? Spell cake. Can you spell it?
C-A-K-E.
Read it.
Cake.
Very good. How about a baseball? Can you show me where's the baseball? The word baseball.
Dog. Try another.
Okay. Come on, find the baseball.
Try again.
Baseball.
Oops.
B. Small letter B. Baseball. Okay, can you spell it?
B-A. There's a lot of letters here.
Spell it. Again.
B-A-S-E. B. L-L.
Read it.
Baseball.
Very good. Good job.
You what?